In this short video, I will show how to log into IBM Cloud Pack for data, which is hosted on dataplatform.cloud.ibm.com, and create the first data stage project. To get started, load the dataplatform.cloud.ibm.com page and enter the login credential. Once I log in, let's move to the left nav to find the project. View or project. It says I don't have any project. In that case, let's create one. Okay, I will use this option. Give a project name. Give some description. Okay, I will leave the default option here. It already discovered my object storage instance, so I will leave it alone. Click create. Okay, this project has been created. It took about 8 to 10 seconds or so. So at this point, I'm ready to go to create the first data stage data flow. So let's get started. So click add to project. You will find the data stages here. So let's find the data stage flow. Wait for it to load the page. The first time it wants to cache a lot of things because everything starts from scratch. So it is a little bit slow to download those pages. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay. So I will call it as job 0. You can give a description here. We will talk about how to use this option later. For now, let's create job 0. Okay. In this UI, you will notice that there are some toolbars. There's a list of connectors that we support and a list of stages. For now, I will create the Hello World version of DataStage Job. So I will take generator. I will take a pic. I will link this to basically create a Hello World application, which is a row generator, send the output to pic. So now let me give some metadata about the records to generate. So add 2 columns, 3 columns for now. The first column, first name, last name, let's say age. Change this to integer. So I basically ask it to generate a record set of first name, last name, and age, and generate, let's say, how many records to generate. By default, it will generate 10 records, and we can change to as many records as we wanted to generate. For now, I will leave the default. Save. Okay, let's compile this flow. Let's run this flow. I can run it from here, or I can run it from here. Let's run this flow. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's look at the log file. So the actual runtime took almost no time to finish. And I will filter on the log to see what kind of record it has generated. It generates first name as H, last name as H, and H, and it generated the record for me, generated a record for me. So this is the first Hello World job to